How to delete my 1xBet account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete your 1xBet account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now deleting 1xBet account is fairly simple. You just go to 1xbet.com and then make sure you log into the account. Now from the browser you can tap the menu option from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. As you do that, on this page you just have to scroll down and you'll find the option that says consultant. So when you tap on consultant, a live agent is going to get in touch with you. You just have to type in you want to delete your account here, and then a live agent is actually going to go over here and then they should be able to help you with it. This way you should be able to go ahead and basically delete your account on 1xBet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.